I am Kenneth Allen Newkirk, and I am an associate at Coastal Ear, Nose, and Throat Surgery. I went to Brown University for my undergraduate training, and I did my medical school training at Mount Sinai School of Medicine in New York City. I went on to pursue a residency in otolaryngology head and neck surgery at Georgetown University Hospital, and then completed a research fellowship at the Lombardi Cancer Center and a clinical surgical oncology fellowship at the MD Anderson Cancer Center. I've been in practice for over 15 years, and initially I was on faculty at Georgetown University Hospital, where I was an associate professor and residency program director. In my practice, I see patients both adult and pediatric, and I specialize in head and neck cancer surgery, but I also do general otolaryngology or general ENT. I originally decided to become a doctor because I saw a need for people trained in medicine in my community. My original goal was to treat the whole person, not just treat them surgically, but also medically, emotionally, physically, socially, and psychologically. I'm really excited about being a physician at Coastal Ear, Nose, and Throat because they provided me the opportunity to bring my expertise to the Monmouth County community in providing head and neck surgical training, head and neck surgical oncological training, and the treatment of patients with not only head and neck cancers, but with general ENT problems who require a little extra TLC, if you will, in the management of their problems.